Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today I'll be doing a fun little read for you. Being the last day of the month, we'll get into the serious stuff next week, okay, next Thursday. But today I'm going to just do a little read for you. This will be on your secret admirer. I want to know from Spirit, what does this person feel about you, how they see you? Oh my God, and see what just burst out of my deck. Somebody's got their eye on you, big time. Anyways, I'm going to put this back right now, but you saw what happened, right? I'm going to put this back and I'm going to restart. So my angel spirit guides, bless this reading for Virgo, and send them the messages they need to hear about their secret admirer now. Thank you. All right, Virgo, let's see who is watching my Virgo gang. And welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Virgo, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. This is just a fun little read. Your main reading will be posted on Thursday now. Virgo. Oh, Virgo, your card is right here, right in the center. Page of Pentacles, Hermit, and the Eight of Cups. So let's take 3 clarifiers for these as well. The person who is Virgo's secret admirer. Virgo's secret admirer, Spirit. How do they feel about Virgo? This person is in deep contemplation about something, Virgo. Deeply thinking. I see this with the Hermit card as well. I don't think this person's really made a move. They could be quietly watching from the sidelines. Maybe if they do want to come in, it's really slow, because this person is deeply thinking about something. What are they thinking about? What's this Page of Pentacles, Spirit? The Magician. They're trying to manifest a new beginning with you with the Chariot. Okay, and the Strength card. Yes, they're trying to find the courage though. They are trying to find the courage. This person is quietly from the sidelines, Virgo, manifesting maybe a return, maybe hoping that you'll come towards them. Maybe if they manifest you hard enough, you will figure out that they are your Two of Cups, and you will leave any emotional unhappiness behind and come towards them. This person is trying to muster up either their own strength to come towards you. I feel, from what I feel, with the Magician being here, I think they're waiting patiently for you to come towards them. So what I'm going to do is, let's take 5 cards as messages from them. Let's see if they could say something to you, what that would be. Virgo's person, Spirit, secret admirer. Oops. Oh. Okay, I'm going to put these back. All right. Virgo's person. One more. One last card, Spirit. All right. Okay, so Virgo, your first card here says, I don't like to admit it, but I could really use your help right now. I'm struggling to do everything alone. I do see somebody is all by themselves. They're trying to manifest this new beginning. They're using their manifestation powers, but they don't seem to be either with you or with anyone else. So hoping you'll come towards them, and I'm involved with someone else, and it wouldn't be fair to either of you to pursue a connection at this time. So that's the reason this person is not directly coming to you, Virgo, and they could be spending a lot of time by themselves, praying, wishing, hoping to either leave an emotionally unhappy situation behind before they can come to you, and that takes a lot of courage. So this person is connecting to their spiritual self or their angels, guides, so that they can find that strength to come charging towards you. I would like you to meet my friends. I want you to be involved in all areas of my life, because you are my world, and I want everyone to know. I can't get you out of my head. I think about you always. I know that we are soulmates, forever entwined for eternity. This is all there's being by themselves, and whatever they've gathered through their hermit mode, they're figuring out that it's time now. It's time now to make some changes in their life. I just want to hold you now. It's been too long since you held me close, and I'm aching for you. So, Virgo, here you got caught, right? The secret admirer is not such a secret admirer. You know this person. You've been with this person in the past. But they do love you. All right, so that was your message. They are here figuring out how to make this investment into their new future. They have a lot of love for you with the King of Cups energy. So till Thursday then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.